Hey everyone, it's your girl Olivia. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing is putting those black masks on your face, like the charcoal masks, and removing my blackheads. Excuse this big old fucking, zit. Like, it's getting the better of me, so whatever. Anyways, I'll tell you how I made it. This is what it looks like. So what I did was I got like one capsule of activated charcoal. You could use just like the powder stuff that like it just comes in like the powder form. There's no capsules, but that's all I had. I think it was the brand Nature's Way. Okay, anyways, whatever. So you need activated charcoal and glue and what's that shit called? You don't have to have essential oils, but I feel like it works better with it. Hey there, girl. Anyways, so yeah, it was like a mixture of like a couple different essential oils, but like it was a blend. So you'd only need like 2 drops, 1 capsule, and then you need like the regular Elmer's glue. I believe I did like a 3-to-1 ratio. So like 3 tablespoons, maybe 2 tablespoons of glue, and then 1 capsule, and then 2 drops of essential oils. So my face is clean right now, like I washed it. I don't have any flaking skin, kind of, not really, I don't know. Anyways, so I'm gonna put it on my face, because yes, we about to do that. So if anyone has any questions, feel free to ask. But yeah. Ooh. I'm just gonna use the brush side now, because why not? And you want to be able to like get it everywhere. You don't want to miss any spots. Just don't get it like too close to your like under eyes, because that part's like super sensitive. You want to let this like dry all the way after you have it on. So don't be too quick to, try to take it off, because it has to dry first. But yeah, this is what I do when my blackheads get all too much for me to handle. Now I put it mostly in my T-zone, which is here, here, and here. It's more like an eye zone for me, but whatever. I put it wherever I see blackheads, which is my whole fucking face. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it everywhere, because it's a face mask, and why not? This does pull out hairs here and there, so don't put it all up in your eyebrows. Put it like around your eyebrows. I know some people are dumb, they just like put it everywhere and they don't think about consequences. So yeah. I'm just gonna put my headband on, because we don't want it all up in my hair. I'm talking like I know everything, and then I just fucking like spread it all up in my hair. That'd be super stupid, wouldn't it? But yeah. I want to thank everyone who is joining. I know I can't like see you right now, but thank you for joining. This is gonna go on YouTube, so yeah. Whew. Hey there, how's it going? I noticed though that the comments don't appear when I save the video to my gallery. Like, it doesn't show them, so I'm like, oh, okay, whatever. I don't know how to save it to where it does do it, so. Huh? Okay. Put it everywhere. Thank you for the love. Oops, damn, I got it in my hair. What's wrong with me? Dude, I'm live right now. Yep, go play. Sorry about that. Like, I'm trying to be, like, as nice as possible to my family when I'm live and they're just, like, bothering me. But, like, low-key, I really want to fucking scream. Like, you feel. Is it just me or, like, does people do that too? It's like, oh my god, I gotta be kind of fake when I'm live, because if people really saw the way I acted, no one would watch my videos. But hey, at least I can fucking admit it, you know? Oh, you're so welcome. I hope you had a good birthday. I look hella crazy. Oh, that's awesome. What you planning on doing with all that cash, girly? Gonna buy you something nice. For everyone who watches my videos, go check out my friend Evilise. I'll have her her YouTube channel down below. Go subscribe to her. We're trying to get her to 200 subscribers. Go check her out. She's pretty awesome. I love her to death. Shout out to was it Pineapple Pig? Why the fuck not, you know? But go check them out. Evilise, you can go tell your friend that I did a shout out and I'm about to put this on YouTube, so he can stop nagging. Almost got that in my eyebrow. Gosh, I look fucking retarded. I'm trying to get it more so on the spots that I already put where it dried, so. I look great. I think I look good. Like, I should just be like this forever. You know what I'm saying? But seriously, do you know how long it's been since what am I talking about? Do you know how long it's been since I've done a good old video where I edited it and stuff? It's been a long ass time. I can kind of see some areas where it's like it's separating or it's like sinking into the pores, so I kind of want to get that, like, I really want to fill those areas so they pick up a good amount of blackheads. I'm running out of product. I also want to be doing like a Q&A kind of video about like my piercings or my life. I don't know, I feel like I might actually do a video about my sex life, because, like, you know, you don't see a lot of those nowadays. So I kind of want to, like, do something like that just to talk about it and things, like, you should and shouldn't do, and then does what hurt. But anyways, like, I don't know, I kind of want to do it because you don't see a lot of, like, teenagers talking about sex life, like, on YouTube, like, but in reality, you see all these teenagers, like, not see them, but, like, all these teenagers nowadays are actually having sex, like, it's not a secret, everyone fucking knows, and, yeah, so, I'm probably gonna do, like, a video about it, about what I've gone through and stuff. When I peel it off, no, it doesn't hurt. Like, unless you have it, like, in your hairs, like, then it kind of, like, pulls on the hair. And if you get it too close to your under eye, it hurts. But for the most part, it's, like, I don't know, it doesn't hurt. Okay, so I'm gonna go let this dry for about 30 minutes or so. Just so it's, like, fully dry. And then I will start another live and show you guys when I'm peeling it off. So, hope you all have a good day. See you soon in a minute. You know, not really, but like, in my YouTube video it will be. So, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, bitches, I'm back. Okay. Anyways, so, this is what it looks like. Ugh, it's in my hair. Make it like, what's going on? Ugh. It's getting in my mouth. Oof, my head. Since I've got, like, a lot of facial hair, like peach fuzz, it's, like, attached to it. So... ugh. It's funny how I said go slow and I'm just, like, fucking speeding. Alright, I don't know if you can, like, see all that, but, like, there's... you probably can't see it, but it's okay, whatever. There's, like, hair and dead skin and stuff. Look like a wrestler. Oof. Ouch. Woo! My eyes are tearing up and my nose is running. But yeah, it's getting more hairs than acne. Or not acne, but blackheads, you know? Ouch. It's all up in my hair. Don't get it too close to your hairline, guys. You'll fucking regret it. I feel like it doesn't look that bad when it's on all the way, but then when you start taking it off and it, like, splits and, like, sections out, it looks stupid. I look fucking dumb. Ouch. I got it all in my hair. Okay. Gotta get it off my nose, or my lip. Oof. That burnt. Okay. So it's getting a lot of hairs, which I'm really happy for. I'm gonna get out of my stash. Oof. It's everywhere. Okay. I'm gonna kind of work on my nose now. I'm actually gonna move this over. I don't know if that's gonna be in the way, but there we go. My nose is running. Okay. Oof. So it pulled up some acne or blackheads. Why do I keep saying acne? It's blackheads. It got a lot of hair, peach fuzz. Got some blackheads. Anyways, what you want to do before you even put it on is like wash your face and scrub it. It's good to use baking soda to scrub around the blackhead areas because it kind of raises them up. And then make sure you're washing your face with warm or hot water, whatever you can handle, because it opens your pores. And then, you know, pat it dry a little bit and then put on your mask. And you'll get a better results for pulling up your blackheads. After that, what I usually will go in and do is take some toilet paper and wrap it around my finger on both fingers and start squeezing and pulling up these blackheads, because, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm like, got little flakes of charcoal mask all over my hairline and the perimeters of my face. But for the most part, it pulled up a lot of dead skin. My face feels soft and silky smooth, other than, you know, my fucking acne. But whatever. I'm trying. I'm doing my best to get rid of it. Hey there, Rashad. Oof. Got a big old fucking zit though, right there. It's like blind zit. Can't really take care of it, but whatever. Gotta get all this blackhead flake mask off my face. I'm probably gonna go in with another face wash. It's like a bubbling face wash, and so it'll eat all my dead skin. Yeah. Thank you for watching, whoever joined. Appreciate it. Yeah. I'll be coming out with more videos for YouTube soon. Thank you so much if you're subscribed. Y'all have a good day. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You know, it's luvvy-bunny. That shit.